All right, everybody, here you go. Take a look at some of these pictures we've had sent in. You've sent them in to us via our reported function on our website or our mobile app. Those are pictures of hail, mainly in the northern portion of Vigo County as well as up in Edgar County. A very active afternoon. Look at that. There's a handful of ice that has fallen from the sky. That's why we had a severe thunderstorm warning for Vigo County a little while ago. That's why every county that has had a severe thunderstorm warning today had that severe thunderstorm warning issued. We thank you very, very much for sending these pictures in. Look at that backpack on and everything. Just coming back from school, Angry Birds t-shirt on. There you go. We got some hail on the ground. We have a ton of pictures. Thank you for sending those in. I tell you what, we've got all the technology on the planet here in this building. Fancy HD equipment, but it doesn't beat the old eyes and you taking a picture of what's actually falling in your backyard. We appreciate it. Keep it up as we keep into this spring season. This big yellow box here, if I touch it and hit a button, it's going to basically tell us that this is a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 o'clock. Okay, this is going to be in effect until 9 o'clock Eastern time, even though it goes over some of our Illinois counties. Now, this is also going to show us our clouds and radar, how this has been very spotty. I'll back out of here so you can just watch how this has been moving through the past few hours. Locally, the rain that we've got right now is up here into Park County. That, not a severe thunderstorm, but you're going to have some gusty winds and heavy rains out of it. As far as localized warnings, there's some flash flood warnings up along Interstate 74. Here at home, though, relatively quiet. Just off your screen that you can't see right now, southwest of Flora, there is a tornado warning. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to move directly into Clay County, Illinois, but it does mean I've got my eyes on it, and I will continue to keep an eye on that cell for you. If it looks to move in to either Richland, Clay, Effingham, Jasper, anybody down here to the southwest, trust me, I am keeping my eyes on it for you. Strong winds out of the south, but notice Paris having that wind out of the north. Reason is there's some colder air up here, and the clash of these two air masses, I mean, it's 84 in Robinson for crying out loud, 20 degrees warmer than Rockville. All of this, and you can see here, there's just a ton of warm air where we live, as well as just to our south. It's 40 in Chicago. This clash of air masses are what's causing these thunderstorms to pop up this afternoon. And they're going to continue to stick around as long as we stay warm. Cold front's well out here to the west, so until this line of rain and thunderstorms moves off to the east, we're going to keep the threat for rain and severe thunderstorms even yet in our forecast. Here's Futurecast keying right in on this line of spotty thunderstorms that are out there right now. This lifts up and essentially goes away, but it's this line that's farther out to the west that we're going to keep an eye on as we get into the overnight hours tonight. Early tomorrow morning, still impacting the morning hours at the bus stop, some rain, but coming through overnight. Looks like it loses some energy and doesn't look to be as severe as it is right now outside, so that's good news as long as we can wring out some more rain out of this system. Mid-60s tomorrow, winds are going to be out of the west-southwest. It will be noticeably cooler at first and then noticeably colder, upper 30s. You saw that cold air just out to our west. That's what's going to be moving in as we get into Friday and Saturday. 62 tonight, scattered rain showers, some areas of heavy rainfall. Severe thunderstorms are going to be possible, but as I mentioned earlier, I've got my lunch here. I'm not going anywhere. I'll keep an eye on it for you. 65 tomorrow, getting colder down to 38 tomorrow night, and your 7-day forecast showing us that it does get colder for a couple days. But look at this jump. 53 on Saturday, 70 on Sunday, and next week with warm air in place, we're going to do this again. Scattered rain, thunderstorms, the potential for severe weather. We've jumped right into a spring-like pattern in a hurry.